everyone, it's now Wednesday. It's a super beautiful clear day, and today we're taking the bus to go to this beautiful blue beach. I'll write it down somewhere here how it's called, and then from there we're gonna walk back, and it's a super beautiful beach because you have like the beautiful rocks there. So yeah, let's see, let's check it out. And yeah, unless you can see in the background. Yeah. You're ready for today?
Super ready.
My outfit today. Yeah. Very colorful.
Yeah.
That's just gonna be the style.
Be fresh. So I had to fix it.
So we're on this beautiful blue beach. It's like insane, this view. We have view also on the other islands of Salina and Stromboli, which is so beautiful. Last 2 days, and we're now walking a little bit around, and then we're gonna go to the bus, and we're gonna take the bus to go to like a beautiful viewpoint. It's called Belvedere in Italian, and yeah, then there we're gonna see a beautiful sunset. So I hope, fingers crossed, it's gonna be a very nice afternoon. Yeah, it's like the last 2 days, so we're trying to just enjoy everything before we go back to Palermo and back into the routine of things. Super clear day. You can see Milazzo from here. Oh look, the boat! I think there you can like put your car on it, and yeah, right?
Yeah, because they ask if you want to put your car, your camper.
You can see here is Miramar, and then there's Liberty Lines. So Liberty Lines goes like super fast, like a speedboat, and this one goes way more slow. See how fast it goes, and then this one, because this one is obviously way more bigger. This is Volcano there, and then there all the way to Etna. You can also, I think, go down there to swim. Oh my god, it's so crazy, and then beautiful sunset. So we're just enjoying the beautiful sunset. On the other side of Lipari, and this is the island Salina, and then the other islands. I mean, these islands are absolutely breathtaking, like 100% recommend to go to Lipari. And if you also have time to go to the other islands, you can get there with Liberty Lines to go to Vulcano, to go to Salina. I mean, there are beautiful islands you can visit. From here it just takes like maybe like half hour to get there. It's super easy because they're like the ones that like go super fast, the boats.
We are in the old church and in Quattrocchi, close to Lipari, to enjoy the view of the beautiful island.
It's absolutely breathtaking, and now we're like at this viewpoint. It's called Chiesa, Vecchia. So when you're here, you should definitely come visit this like viewpoint. And now we're gonna walk in this garden. Let's see, let's explore the trees. I think on the other side you have the view of Stromboli. Stromboli. It's like a house here. Yeah, just everywhere you go, it's just so idyllic, photogenic. Like I could take like a million pictures. Also took a lot of analog pictures. Look at that. I mean, on camera it doesn't do like justice how beautiful it is here, because you have to see it in real life.